question says ABC are three consecutive integers between -10 and 10, both inclusive. How many integral value are possible for the expression? There are three consecutive integers. So if there are three consecutive integer ABC, so let's say this term is B, so that will be B minus 1 and that will be B plus 1. B minus 1, B and B plus 1. I have to write all the terms in terms of B. So if I open it, A cube plus B cube plus C cube plus 3ABC upon A plus B plus C whole square. What do I get? I replace all the terms in terms of B. So B minus 1 whole cube, that is B cube, that is B plus 1 whole cube, and that is 3 into B minus 1 into B plus 1. Divide by B minus 1 plus B plus 1 whole square. So look at it, A minus B whole cube, that is A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus B plus B cube plus A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B plus, if you open it, you'll get B square minus 1, B square minus 1 into B, that is B cube minus B. So if I multiply with 3, I'll get 3B cube minus 3B. And in the denominator, what do I have? I have 3B square whole square, that is 9B square. So just do one more step, write it properly, that is 3B cube, that is B cube, B cube, B cube, that is 6B cube, minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel out, that is minus 3B square, that is plus 3B square, so that will be cancelled out, and we remain with plus 3B, and that 3B will be cancelled out, so plus 3B divided by 9B square. Now one more B can be cancelled out, or 3B can be cancelled out from the question. So if I cancel out 3B from the question, I'll get 2B square plus 1 upon 3B. So we need to make this term as integer. As you can clearly see, this term is odd, so B can take only odd values. B cannot take any even values because odd term is not divisible by even values. So if I put it the values, odd values, I see that only 1 and minus 1 are giving me integer. If I put 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3 upon 3, that is integer, and if I take minus 1, that is also an integer, that is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 upon minus 3, that is also an integer. For no other value it is an integer. So for how many integral values are possible for the expression? The expression, there are two integral values are possible, which is when it is divisible by 1 and when B is minus 1. So one value is coming out to be 1 and other value is coming out to be minus 1. Only two values are coming. You can try it by putting some more values, but put it only odd values. You will see no other value will satisfy. Okay. Now come to 2017 paper. X and Y are real numbers, the least possible value of the expression. Now look at this value. This is independent. So the least value of any perfect square is 0 because it cannot be negative. So basically we are bothered about only terms of based on x. If I open it, I'll get x square plus 4 minus 4x, and that is x square plus 9 minus 6x. That term is definitely 0. Minimum value is 0. So open it, 4x square minus 2x square, I'll get 2x square. 16 and minus 18, I'll get minus 2. That is minus 16x, and that is plus 12x, that is minus 4x. And if I take it 2 common, I'll get x square minus 2x minus 1. Either you can make it a perfect square or you can basically find the minimum value here itself. The minimum value of a quadratic, it's c minus b square upon 4a. So rather making a perfect square, you could have done it here itself. So c, which is minus 2, b square, which is 16, upon 4a. A is 2. So minus 2 and minus 2, that is minus 4. So rather doing this step, you could have directly get the answer. Answer is minus 4. So ये याद रखो, minimum value of any quadratic, it's c minus b square upon 4a. So c is here, not here. So c minus b square upon 4a. So 8 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 is the minimum value. Come to the next one. If f of x equal to ax plus b, and that is given f of fx. So what is f of x? That is f of ax plus b. And what is f of x? Now this becomes x. F of x is a x plus b. That is the question. This is x. So replace here, in place of x, I'll put ax plus b. So if I simplify, what do I get? I get ax, a square x plus ab plus b. And that is given to me as 9x plus 8. So if it's given 9x plus 8, can I say a square is nothing, it is 9, and ab plus b is nothing, it is 8, and they are given positive real number. So if a square is 9, a definitely has to be 3, and ab plus b is 8. If ab plus b is 8, so 3b plus b is 8, so 4b is 8, so b comes out to be 2. So b is 2 and a is 3. He is asking a plus b value. What is a plus b? A plus b is nothing, it is 5. Option 3 is the correct answer. So f of x is ax plus b. Simplify it. Compare the coefficient. A square is 9 and ax plus b is 8. ab plus b is 8. And positive, so I cannot take minus 3, I have to take only 3. So a is 3, so this becomes 3b plus b, that is 8. 4b is 8, so b comes out to be 2. A is 3, b is 2, so sum comes out to be 5. Come to the next one. That is very direct question. Sum of the series. If you can notice, all the numbers are written from minus 100 to 120. So if all the numbers are written, obviously in between, after minus 90, so on, 0, I'll get plus 90 in between. I'll get plus 95. I'll get plus 100 also. So all the negative terms from here till here will be cancelled out. All the terms in between will be cancelled out because there are, let's say, 20 terms from here to here, and there are 20 terms from here to here. All the term will be cancelled out. I'll remain with only these 4 terms: 105, 110, 115, and 120. And that is the answer. Answer is 400, 30, 50. 450 is the correct answer. That was a simple question. If it clicks, no need to find the sum because there are certain negative term and certain positive term. All the negative term will be cancelled out with all the positive terms. Only these 4 terms will remain: 105, 110, 115, and 120. So what is the answer? Answer is 450. Clear?